Zombie apocalypse.
Hello guys, this is AGF Forex. For the sake of those that truly want this boom and crash strategy, so I decided to talk about it in English. Yeah, at least almost 5% people that requested me for the strategy asked me to probably, I know they cannot speak the normal dialect we use here, so I think because of this I'll use English to explain everything. So for those that didn't understand everything I said in English, can contact me for the Hausa version. So what I want you to understand, let's start by what is boom and crash. Boom and crash are synthetic indices aspect of forex trading. These are markets that ticks based on simulation from stocks. Oftentimes there are single feature assets like boom 500 or crash 500 which may be simulated by over 100 company stock. This is known as the constituent, so it has to study how to trick the stick. So what you just need to understand basically here, when we say boom and crash is another form of forex trading, but it majorly deals with stock simulation. So you can go and search on it deeply, at least to have some proper information about that. That's for you. At least I just decided to define it here, at least for people who are not too familiar with it can understand and know what exactly I'm talking about. So majorly our strategy for today here is majorly on what? On boom 500 and crash 500. Is boom 500 and crash 500. This is where our strategy would. So this strategy I'm going to show you now, it majorly works on what? Boom 500 and what? Crash 500. This is it. Boom 500, crash 500. So let's go. This is boom 500, crash 500. So let's go. So what you should understand about this strategy is that anytime, this is it, we are not going to use too much indicators. The only thing I want you to know is that we are using this strategy for swinging, because generally if you have a small account, I don't see a reason why you should start scalping. That's based on my own experience on scalping and my own experience on trading. Because why? Because if you have a small account, in trying to get 2 candles, 3 candles in boom and crash and will go out of the market, if a crash cuts you, number one, it will damage all the profit you have gotten, and 2, it may even blow your account, which is another factor. So for me personally, I don't believe in trading, in scalping with this strategy, or even scalping boom and crash with a very small account. If you have a very small account, you can just try and backtest this strategy and see how it works. Okay, let me show you how this strategy works. You see, we have 3 indicators here. Number 1 is the, what is it called? Number 1, the Ichimoku. This is this blue one is 200 moving average, 200 EMA, 200 EMA moving exponential moving average. I'm a forex trader, so I always deal with it. 200 moving average, this is it. And this red line here is the Ichimoku line. Is the Ichimoku indicator. I will give you the settings very soon. Ichimoku. Sorry, my handwriting is very bad. So, and this third line as well, this red line we are seeing here, is also Ichimoku. So I will show you the settings at the end of the video, at least so that you can be able to trace whatever I want to show you here. And this one is the stochastic. So if you are using phone to do it, you are going to make sure you use the second zoom level. Let me show you. This is the last zoom level. This is it. So 1, 2. That's how you should use it. 1, 2. If you are using phone, the same thing. So make sure you zoom out completely, then zoom 1, zoom 2. That's just it. So that's what you should understand. So I think let's just go ahead with the strategy. For boom, this is boom 500. What you will do is that whenever, because you have already set your levels for the stochastic, this is 80-20. That's the overbought. That's the sell zone. I wrote it here. Strong. Okay. This is the sell zone, and this is the buy zone. So you are going to use it as far as you are following the trend. You don't care whether the market is boom or crash. As far as the scenarios, of course, you just ignore everything and enter your market. Okay, let me give you the first example here. This is it. The Ichimoku from the indicator window 1 here is reading what at 80 level. That's overbought level. Sorry, oversold 20-10. That's oversold level. So what you just do, just go come and wait for a bullish candle. This bullish candle bullish candle that close above this Ichimoku line on the chart window. This is it here. You see? This is it. I zoom out again because I'm using laptop. So you see, this is it. This is the first bullish candle that that closes above the Ichimoku line. This is it. I'm showing you here. So let me zoom back again. You see, this is the first Ichimoku line. This is the first candle that closes above the Ichimoku line, and also the Ichimoku line is below is within this range, this oversold range. So after the close of that candle, you will just buy. If you want to target a very good TP, so when your Ichimoku line touch this level, I wrote TP here, is the 50 level of the stochastic. When the Ichimoku touch this level, you are out of the market. That's this point. When the Ichimoku touch this line, you are out of the market. That's one option to take profit. The second option is that when the Ichimoku line, when another candle close below the Ichimoku, when a very good bearish candle close below the Ichimoku line, probably around this area, you just exit. But for me, as far as I'm concerned, I will just exit as far as the Ichimoku line touches this level. That's one. And the second one is whenever a bearish candle close below this Ichimoku line with a momentum. That's the second way to take TP. The third way to take TP is for you to wait for this Ichimoku line in this window to reach this overbought level. That's if you want to target very good number of pips, assuming you enter from this point. The market go here, come back here, it didn't go below that, go up here. Imagine the number of pips from here, and to this point. Very, very massive. This is a very massive move. Massive. So you can quote more than 2,000 pips from this point to this point to this point. So on every swing, averagely, on every swing you are going to enter with this boom and crash strategy, at least you will target nothing less than 100 pips. Let me show you another one. I think it majorly works in boom 500 and crash 500. Sorry, I'm trying to check my camera so that I will not have issue with my what is it called? That's for boom. Let's check for crash before we come back for boom again. Okay, let's zoom it out to the last level, then zoom 1 2. You see what happened here? We get the same position from this, the one we get from the, you see, from here the Ichimoku from the window is around this strong buy zone. What happened? And this candle, this is the first candle that closes above the Ichimoku line. What happened? The market rally. You see, just make sure the Ichimoku line is within this oversold zone, that's between 20 to 10, and is also cross, and there is also another bullish candle with a bullish momentum close above the Ichimoku line. And if you are going for a sell scenario, the same thing here. Let me show you an example. There is another example here. You see the Ichimoku line is what is within this overbought area between 90 and 80. What happened? We have another bearish candle. You see this candle with a very big bearish momentum close inside or below the Ichimoku line. What happens? Despite there is a bullish candle that went up, despite the market went up here, if you know structure very well, you know the market is trying to form double top here. That's why the market went back up. And what happened when this second Ichimoku line come and close below the, when this second candle, this is it, this second candle come and close below the Ichimoku line, what happened? The market rally. So from this point, you are using 15-minute chart to enter the trade, but you are going to use daily chart and what, and 1 hour chart to determine your market direction. Like me now, assuming I'm a trader, the first thing I will just do is that I'll have to ask myself, what is the market, what is the overall trend? Because I'm going to tell you 3 things that any strategy you are using, if you compound these 3 things, they will give you a very good entry or a very good strategy. Let me tell you what I mean. Okay, assuming you got a signal here, you say, this is another example with a very massive move. This is it, this is it, and this is it also. So let me show you what I'm talking about. The overall trend, if you are going to enter market, don't consider the trend on the 4 hours, on the 15-minute time frame, because we are just using 15-minute time frame as our entry trigger. We are just using 15-minute time frame as our what? Entry trigger. But the main cocoa is you should determine the overall trend. You go and check the weekly chart, daily chart, and 4 hours chart, and 1 hour chart to determine the direction of your trend. Okay, let me show you this now. Let's check daily chart. This is 200 moving average, this blue line, and the market is, the price level is below the 200 moving average. We get one first confirmation from the daily chart, the market is in a downtrend. You see, from the weekly chart and from the 4 hours chart, the market is also in a downtrend because the price is below this 200 moving average. On the 4 hours chart as well, you see, for 1 hour chart is somehow above it, but we don't care about it, because the higher the time frame, the higher the accuracy of determining whether the market is in an uptrend or downtrend using the 200 moving average. Simple. So what happened? As I just check my weekly chart, sorry, I upped the data, my daily chart, downtrend, 4 hours chart, downtrend, I don't care. I'll just come to 15-minute chart. Okay, look for my entry, and this is a very good entry. You see, person that enter from here come down to this level, and probably somebody that entered this market from here, from this point. From here we have two conditions for for both crash or for both buy and sell. You see, for here, this price, this Ichimoku line is within that oversold zone. You see, and what happened? There is another candle here up. You see, this candle closed above the Ichimoku line. What happened? The market rally, very strong rally. So all these informations I'm telling you, I'm giving it for you here for in AGF Forex. Everything we are telling you, everything we are giving you here is completely free. We don't charge you any single thing. The only thing we need from you, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel so that whenever we drop any valuable video like this, it will benefit you. So that's just it. So this strategy can work only for what? Boom 500, crash 500. What is it? This strategy is what? Is swing strategy. What is the entry trigger? We use 15-minute chart as our entry trigger. The entry trigger is for the moving what is it called? Not moving average, Ichimoku line. This is another one. This is it. Very strong, very cool. In this example, I have two good confirmations. One, okay, let me not even use this one. Let me use this one. Let me use this one. See here, I have two confirmations. One, a bearish candle closing below the 200 moving average. That's one, and also a bearish candle with a strong momentum close below the Ichimoku line here. It's very, very simple to do. Very simple. You'll just find your buy and sell entry. You just get number of pips you want. Fine, simple, and come out. You see another one here. Okay, it's the same thing. Okay, another one here. Okay, this one is not even aligned. So anytime you see the market crosses here and you didn't see the Ichimoku here around this overbought oversold level, my brother, please don't go for it. Wait for another chance. You will get it. See another one here. See, strong candle, strong bearish candle closed below the Ichimoku line. What happened? The market rally, so the market will go down. Simple. And as I told you, if you have anytime there is no any candle that closes above this Ichimoku line, you should not worry about yourself. Just continue trading the market. Let me show you on this example. Let me show you here. I want to show you something here. Okay, assuming we use this entry. No, that's not what I want to show you. This is what I want to show you. You see all these candles here that are trying to close above it. You see, as the let me even use this. Let me even use this entry. Despite I check my zoom level. See, from this point, this is it. So when there is a candle that is a bullish candle, as far as the candle here, let me show you. As far as the candle here, you see this one, the candle closes above it. So some people will exit here for safety, and probably you see the market is touching this this 50 level. That's why I said the best TP is when the Ichimoku line from this indicator window 1 touch 50 level, you just exit your market. But despite this candle did not close outside, this one closed outside, what happened? Market dragged down. This is just normal pullback the market will make and continue, because market didn't move in one direction. So that's one. Always identify what I said. I will tell you that will help you to determine your winning success rate on every strategy. I'm going to tell you three things, which are: number one, let me go. Number one, trend direction. always try and determine which trend the market is going. If it's going uptrend, go for it. Follow the trend. If you are following the trend, there is no way the market will fuck you up. Second one, good entry. Sorry. Okay, good entry point. And the third one, you see, good entry point, it means a good point where you enter. Make sure you always have a good point to enter and a very good point to exit your market. That's what will help you. Number 3, what is it? The last one is the number 3, and is one of the most important: money management. Always risk a very small amount of your account as far as you want to see magic in it. Money management. So these are the major 3 things that if you put them into consideration and put them in your trading, they will change the way you trade, number 1, and number 2, they will make sure they change the way you look at market and understand it. This is Adnan Global Access talking. Bye. See you next time. Remember, this strategy is only for boom 500 and crash 500, and make sure you backtest it at least 1 good month before you go live. Thank you very much, and thanks for watching AGA Forex. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.
Zombie apocalypse.